Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So in this video we're going to be continuing our mini-series on building a modular trauma kit. So we've already covered tier 1, so be sure to check the link in the description below and check out if you haven't. Tier 1 is the ultra budget version. This is going to be tier 2. So this is a step up from tier 1, so we're going to continue with the modular trauma dressing. So this is an Olays. Also recommend the T3 and a pair of gloves. So this is our tier 1 taken care of. So the reason why I chose the T3 or the Olays is because they're multifunctional. With the pressure bar, cool features, the actual decent wound pad and extra packing gauze, it really is a multifunctional dressing. Now as this is tier 2, we're going to step things up a little bit and we're going to be adding a chest seal. So I've chosen the Russell chest seal from Prometheus. This is an awesome chest seal. It packs up nice and small. As you can see, that is pretty much my hand folded up there. Now with it being this small, you haven't actually got to hold it again, so you're not going to compromise the actual seal itself. But this is vented, so you're able to let the air out of that chest cavity. So awesome little addition there. So a chest seal is useful for when someone has a penetrating chest injury. So obviously you want to seal that box, and a Russell chest seal is an awesome way to do that. Now a Russell chest seal comes in at £21 at the time of recording. £21 for potentially saving someone's life. Next up, I'm going to be adding some compressed gauze. So as mentioned before, you do have a decent amount of compressed gauze in the Olays and T3, which you can remove as needed. But for, let me just check, £3.82, can't go wrong with adding a bit more. So this is in total 11.43 centimeters by 3.75 meters. So you got almost 4 meters of compressed gauze here. Comes in a really small package, but it definitely makes a real difference if you're trying to pack a wound or use it for a non-serious bleed as like a kind of bandage material. So again, this is obviously the second stage modularity. So I've added a bit more packing gauze because you can never have too much. Now last but by no means least, I'm going to be including a foil blanket. So the reason why I'm including this is because hypothermia kills in trauma patients. When someone's losing a lot of blood, it's vitally important to help keep them warm. And again, really low cost, you're looking at about £1 or less than £1 for one of these. And again, you're just trying to keep that casualty as warm as possible. Now this isn't a be-all end-all of that, but it's definitely a step in the right direction. So we go. So that is stage 2 or tier 2 of my modular first aid system. You have a decent trauma dressing, T3 or Olays. You have at least one pair of nitrile gloves. You have a chest seal. This one's the Russell, awesome. You have some extra compressed gauze, and you have a foil reflective blanket. So again, this is a modular system. So what I would recommend, if you can't afford all this in one go, then simply buy one thing a month. So for example, the chest seal being £21, compressed gauze £3.82, and the Olays here coming in at £10.80. You're able to buy a little bit as you go. So stay tuned, I'm going to be releasing another video soon based around the tier 3, which is going to be the advanced level. Thanks for watching, hope this video has been useful to you. I got all of this from a great company called Reflex Medical. I will leave a link in the description below. Also I'll include a discount code which will get you 10% off. So they've already got great prices, but you can get even better prices. It's awesome. So anyway, thanks for watching, stay safe, carry gear, hopefully you never have to use it, and I'll see you soon.